Rob Stott here at CE Week 2016, joined now by Daniel Nelson of Design Shift. Daniel, thanks for joining us.
Hi, thank you.
Yep. So tell me a little bit about Design Shift.
Fundamentally, we're an engineering consultancy. We help companies that have good product ideas but don't really know how to make products. We help them bring their products to life.
Gotcha, but that's not why you're at CE Week. So tell us a little bit about that.
Right, okay, well, this is our own project. It's sort of a pet of ours we've been working on for a while. And what we've done is we've combined banking security from devices like ATMs and point-of-sale terminals. We've combined that with a PC. So this is a desktop PC. It's a modern PC running the latest Intel processor, and we've added a whole bunch of physical security to that.
That's awesome. So it basically, it's a very high-tech version of being able to sort of, a security device.
Yeah.
Logging your computer.
The key really is in the banking industry, there are some secret bits of information that they have to have on a point-of-sale terminal, yeah. And they have to keep that stored in a way that if somebody disassembles the device, tries to reverse engineer it, tries to undo the cryptography, that information, the secret information, disappears instantly when that happens. And so we've taken that same concept and put it in a PC to protect your data instead of a bank's data. So if somebody were to steal your PC and try to work around the kind of security that's normally in your operating system by physically accessing components inside, they can't actually get to those components without causing all the data to disappear. The fact that we're protecting your data like that is quite important and quite interesting. There are a lot of people like lawyers, doctors, journalists who are more concerned with their data than their hardware, right? So if they get something stolen out of their car, the fact that they have to go buy a new laptop, for example, is annoying, but the data that goes with it is much, much more important. But there are other elements of extra security that we've added to this. So for instance, we've got a second factor of authentication that happens before your PC boots. It requires a physical key. Just show you this. This is an NFC key. There's also Bluetooth in there, and you have to physically have this and present it to the PC in order for it to boot, in order for it to start up. Then once it does boot, once it accepts this, it goes up into your operating system. It can be Linux, it can be Windows, any modern operating system, as with any PC. Once you're in your operating system, you log in as you normally would with a password, and a Bluetooth communications is set up with this. When you walk out of the room, it automatically locks. When you come back in, you need to present your key again to the PC to unlock it. So it's a second layer that's added to everything that your operating system ordinarily does.
So once you step outside of Bluetooth range, you're saying it would lock the device?
It's not exactly Bluetooth range. It uses what's called the proximity profile. So it monitors exactly how far you are away. And we can configure the rough distance at which it decides to lock. So it's set for about 10 meters, I think, right now. Effectively, this one, for demo purposes, we can just hide it behind our back, and that's good enough to lock it. But
super secure.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, again, thank you for taking the time to join us, and great learning about all your products.